doing like all that nail art fun. 30 seconds for this one. So for all of you who just tuning in, this is the two look that we did today. Is both from Chanfo Foy number 30th and a number and the Chanfo Foy. No, it's not Gothy Vibe. It's abstracts. It's really cool though. It's really stunning with this abstract. I like that a lot. Okay. So let's move to the next nails. Thanks so much, Nuna. I appreciate it. I think it's this one. Let's see. I'm gonna do that. So it get the pot of flowers and the leaves. Okay. You can lay it however angle you prefer. I think it's gonna be so much fun. It doesn't matter the way you this was cool. And you make sure you press it firmly. You see that how it transfers completely? Oh, it's spinning? Oh, nice, okay. So now it's spinning. I have this on my nails. I'm wearing it and I love it. So you see that how you playing with your rings spinning? This one, I do that and I get it on my nails and it's spinning. Look at that side. Look. You see that? Okay. So let's do some crystal placement for this beautiful nails. It's so stunning. If you just, the clients just want little hints of gold on the lace gold flowers on the black nails, I think this will be perfect. And then you can just need to top coat it. But I'm going to our condensed glue gels. This is the first steps on our is 3-step method system that will really, did I say, hey live brass, how are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. Oh, this is so much fun, nail tech, this spinning. I will sit and spin all day long. And sometimes with clients, we have a gentleman's client that come in to get a spa done and they say, oh my God, what you got on your nails? So excited. They're so interesting. All right, so we're gonna do a no wipe top coat. This is the second step from our 3-step methods. This will between condensed glue gel on here and no wipe top coat will really like anchor your base of your crystal down. So I'm like debating, should I like put crystal all over it or should I just put crystal in the center? But then this is like kind of a hint background, like a light background. Hey Corina, hi Christy, thanks so much ladies for tuning in from Facebook. I'm gonna using Violet's shard. This is in the collection of second anniversary crystal kits. We are getting it's time for that kit to be retired. No, it's fun, so much love for that one. With time, you know, to move on to the next kit. If you are ready, we're so ready. There's so many different new shapes coming in and the new for crystals, and we can't wait. So if any of you love the collections of the second anniversary crystal kits, I still have some left before it's gone, I would suggest to get it because a lot of best-selling shape and in such a great price. Just take a look at that. Okay, I need the tray though. I'm gonna use rose gold on this one. Hold on. What am I gonna do now? I found it. Oh, now it's go away. It's really cool though. I might using some of the bigger beads in here. I just so tempting. This has a lot in here. Sorry, I was like, okay, I want to show you what I'm doing. Just a lot of frame that I want to place with. And it's so much fun to play with. This is a Supreme's Rose Gold. It looks like an owl though. Ooh, looks really like. So for all beginners, if you start playing with the crystal placements, it's so simple step. As long as you get your crystal close and tight together, they always turn out nice. I promise. So we put the little arrows right here, and we'll do some crystals in this. Let me add a crystal. Maybe AB? Give me the AB right there. I'm gonna fill in some AB. I haven't done AB for a long time. Have I? Just like feeling like I miss it. Okay, so here I have to share with you, I'm not gonna lie to you. Be honest, when I first start with crystal placements, I don't like care much for anything else like others colors of a crystal besides just AB. And then after a while, when I start playing with this, I start feeling like I need more challenge. So I start playing more with color crystal, and I really enjoying it as well. So do you see that how is my all the step I does just using all the crystals, and you can just place them close together, and it doesn't matter what size. You can go from size SS4, SS3, you know, SS5, SS6, doesn't matter. You enjoying it because you're an artist, so you can feel of. So after a while, when I'm playing with the crystals, I really like want to challenge myself with different colors, because sometimes I think like when you look at that, it's it doesn't like sparkle like AB. This is still my favorites, but also if you want to get yourself into the more fun and challenge like techniques, try a different colors of a crystal and see how you can really challenge yourself. It's kind of fun though. I would have to say I'm not like, it's just like really fun to play with. And I start playing and playing a lot with charms, and don't afraid of to try it, because you know, guess what, it's if it just in worst case you don't like it, you can always take it off and redo them. Well, sometimes if I have it happen to me with the clients, like if I feel like I don't like it, I say sorry, I'm too OCD, I'm gonna take it off, and I do it, or like do it before. I mean, not like when you cure it, it's gonna be take a lot of work. But if you place like this, you feel like one or two of them are not the way you want it, you can absolutely change it. To take a couple off and then replace them. So then you'll be happy. I'll place some beads there. So as long as you place all the crystal close tight together, you'll never go wrong with this, I promise. Really enjoying it. So you can really dress this one. Hi Maya, hello love, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey King Eric, how are you? Thank you love for tuning in. Oh, I think I missed. Is it wait minutes? Where is that at? Right there. So if you want to put the bars right here, like in the frame, you can. You know what? And try place with like even rose gold or yellow gold beads, bar, frame, or silver. You can like incorporate them all together. It's not limits of what you can do, and you'll be amazing what you can create with. So do not limit your potential. Just try it. Just in case that it doesn't turn out the way you want it, you can always redo them. I still have some background there. Sorry if I colors all everything, but I did say earlier if you prefer, like for instance, the clients just want the foil only, the background, you can absolutely do it and then clear that's one for 60 seconds. But if the clients want crystal placement, that's this fun part. Fun. All right, maybe I missed one. Oh, just one more. I will get the smallest one, like size SS4 right there, to feel it finish. Okay, great. So I am going to cure this. Should I do one more? Sorry. I feel like on the end it's missing a little bit. However, it's just my personal preference. You can add it on. Just it. You feel like complete now. But it still have some background in that. Great. So if you're happy with this, and we are going to cure this for 60 seconds.